I gotta take some video here for my bird cousin Beth for her Facebook. Yes. He's kind of frustrated and he's picking at himself, but here's another one here. Oh, God, look at those colors. Took a long time to paint them, Beth. What do you think? Good paint job? And what do you think of the cage? Huh? And here's this one here. Oh. Very curious. Yes. I know. You never have been on TV before? You've been on YouTube? Have you been on YouTube? No? This is your first time on YouTube? OMG. You're going to be a rock star. Yes. You're going to be a star. Yep. And is that your toy? You've been tearing that toy up. Oh my God. That's a good bird toy. And what are you, look at the mess on the bottom of your cage. What are you doing? And you need to have a bib. Oh, yes. Yeah, you're a pretty boy, aren't you?
Yes, you can sit there because when I have parties or I have
Here
dinner.
comes Pat. Hi, Pat. Say hi to Beth.
Hi, Beth.
Beth is my bird cousin.
My purse.
It's not third cousin, bird cousin. Yes.
Look at my bathroom here.
Okay, we're going to look at the bathroom now. Beth, you can't come.
Here you go. I'm going to take it.
Am I on camera? I don't want to do this if I'm on camera.
Here. There you go. There you go. Whee. You want to step up? I do Spider-Man kiss. Spider-Man kiss. Okay, now get back down. Do your exercise.
You open the door.
Up, 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 up. Going up. No? Step up. Step up. You gotta say it. Step up. Step up. Step up. You're so cute, baby. You're your mommy's little baby. Mommy's little baby. You're so pretty. Yeah. Go night-night. Go night-night. Good boy.
She got a bed. She got a bed to sleep.
There you go.
She's sleeping in the bed. Normally.
Dead bird.
No,
bird.
he sleep on the carpet in the home.
Doesn't his wings look really cool in the back? You see the design he has on the back?
Yeah, I have it like
See?
that.
Put him in the light and see.
You know, she's 14.
Pretty cool.
But she sleep
Yeah.
Love the colors on him. It looks like he has little chaps on. You see how he has little chaps?
Yeah.
Like a little cowboy.
Little gaucho.
in the house at home or on the most of the time on the carpet.
A bird, 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 and a bird is a word. Bird, 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 and a bird is a word.
You there?
They give it to me when they watch us.
He'll get you.
And they can take it with the dog.
I'll get you.
So,
I'm gonna get you.
I'm crazy what I do.
Wanna fight?
I train her. She don't do nothing.
And he's 5 years old?
Yeah, he's 5 years old.
And they live to 30?
He lives at 30 years old.
Now, how do you say the name?
Keiki.
Huh?
Keiki, they call it.
Keiki?
Keiki.
Keiki. A
Look, he
Keiki.
likes doing this.
Sometimes you don't see
Oh, he's got a chauffeur. Going for a ride.
she shakes.
Going for a ride.
She's afraid to take a bath. Cuidado con el perrito. Yeah, she don't like it to take a bath. Every time I say take a bath, she hides. But I give it back. Take it to the doctor.
Isn't that funny? He just lays here.
She got a little lump over here on the side.
He loves to be good.